History of blogging. Blogging has been around since the early days of the internet, with the first blogs appearing in the late 1990s. At that time, blogs were mostly personal journals or diaries that individuals shared with a small circle of friends and family. However, as blogging platforms became more sophisticated and user-friendly, blogging grew in popularity as a means of communicating with a wider audience. Today, there are millions of blogs covering a vast range of topics, from fashion and beauty to politics and technology. Types of blogging. There are several types of blogging, including personal blogging, professional or business blogging, and niche or topic-specific blogging. Personal blogging is typically focused on the author's personal experiences, thoughts, and opinions, while professional or business blogging is geared towards promoting a brand or product. Niche or topic-specific blogging is focused on a particular area of interest or expertise, such as food, travel, or fitness. Niche bloggers often create content that is highly targeted towards a specific audience, and they may collaborate with brands or other bloggers in their niche to grow their audience and reach. Monetization. Blogging can also be a source of income, with many bloggers earning money through sponsored content, advertising, affiliate marketing, and other means. However, monetizing a blog requires a significant amount of time and effort, as well as a loyal and engaged audience. Bloggers also need to be transparent about their sponsored content and other forms of monetization, as there are rules and regulations around advertising and disclosure in many countries. Challenges. One of the main challenges of blogging is creating consistent, high-quality content that resonates with readers. Bloggers also need to be familiar with SEO best practices to ensure their content is discoverable by search engines and their audience. Building a loyal audience can also be difficult, as there are millions of blogs competing for attention online. Bloggers need to be active on social media, engage with their readers, and collaborate with other bloggers and influencers to grow their following. Benefits of blogging. In addition to providing a platform for self-expression and communication, blogging has several other benefits. For individuals, blogging can be a way to improve their writing skills, build a personal brand, and establish themselves as an authority in a particular area of interest. For businesses and organizations, blogging can be a way to boost their online visibility, attract new customers, and engage with their audience. Blogging can also help businesses establish themselves as thought leaders in their industry or niche, and can be a valuable tool for content marketing and SEO. Content creation. Creating high-quality, compelling content is the key to a successful blog. Bloggers need to be able to write in a clear, engaging style that captures their readers' attention and keeps them coming back for more. In addition to writing, bloggers may also need to create other types of content, such as photos, videos, or podcasts, depending on their niche and audience. Bloggers can also collaborate with other content creators, such as photographers or videographers, to enhance the visual appeal of their blog. Promotion and distribution. Once a blog post is published, bloggers need to promote it to attract readers and build their audience. Social media is a powerful tool for promoting blog content, as bloggers can share their posts on platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram to reach a wider audience. Email newsletters are another effective way to distribute blog content, as they allow bloggers to stay in touch with their audience and notify them when new content is published. Bloggers can also participate in online communities and forums related to their niche to connect with potential readers and promote their blog. Analytics and optimization. To track their progress and improve their blog's performance, bloggers need to use analytics tools to monitor their website traffic, engagement, and other key metrics. Search engine optimization. SEO is also an important consideration for bloggers, as it can help them rank higher in search engine results and attract more organic traffic to their site. Bloggers need to be familiar with SEO best practices, such as keyword research, meta tags, and link building to optimize their content for search engines. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.